Let's unbox together. Super excited. Keratin hair mask and shampoo. My favorite makeup wipe. Everything comes off like butter. Translucent setting powder. Just a heads up, keep an eye out. I will be doing more dunk tests with this beautiful makeup. CC cream. VFX Pro Primer. So excited for this one. It's the Glam Up palette. I've been waiting to order this, and let's open it and check it out. Star Look mascara. Can never have enough new sponges. SPF 50 for the face and body. Stocking up on some ink liner. This is a liquid eyeshadow, shade Pop of Light. It's very beautiful, and yeah, kind of a champagne color. VFX Pro Foundation, Time Locker setting spray. There's so many benefits of having a setting spray in your collection. You can use it with eyeshadows, set your makeup, so much more. The brow styling wax I got for free. This is eye primer. All right guys, I'm super excited, and let's start this look. I already did my base face pretty much, and then I was like, oh, I'll see if my order's here, and that's where we are here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting my setting powder on. Most people just use the setting powder under the eyes and in the T-zone area. I do my whole face because I have oily skin, and this really helps keep everything under control. Today I'm skipping contour and going straight in with some blush. Let's get to these eyes. I'm super excited about it. Going in first with my eye primer. I'm going to buff this all over my lid to the eyebrows. You know how we do. Here I'm just setting the primer, creates an even base. All right, let's get to the Glam Up palette. Oh my goodness, this palette's just beautiful. So here I only swatched the first 4 colors. I mainly do my eyeshadow look with just the first 4. I have a habit of putting shimmers on with my fingers. You can definitely use a brush, whatever works for you. I just always go to that. Here's another way to use a setting spray. It helps make the pop of color on the inner corners brighter. Do you love this look? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you would. I'd greatly appreciate it. So here's my first coat of the Star Look mascara. I've never tried this one before and it was intriguing. Apparently you can never have enough blush. So my personal opinion on this mascara, I think that I need to keep playing with it, but my first impression wasn't that great. Let's lock it in. So here's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my unboxing, trying out the makeup for the first time, well, the eyeshadow palette and mascara. I really like this look. Let me know if you love it too.